You are welcome to my YouTube video. If you are new, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I will give you 12-month updated deals. How to get this website coupon code discount, go to my YouTube video description. You will see right now the updated 15% off, 20% off, or more. Coupon and discount. Click shop. Now button, you will get the discount. Also, if you want, you can copy the coupon, apply in the coupon option. Every month, all the updated coupon you will get here. Also, you will get Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday, and weekly updated deals and discount. If you need discount and coupon code for others' website and service, check out the second discount link, then on the search option. You can search with any keyword or website name. Enjoy the discount and coupon. You can check out my YouTube Others video. I help people with the right guideline. That will also help you to save money with confidence. If my video helped you write few words in the comments, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.